Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Art of Decor. First and foremost, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Here are some inspiring benefits of DIY face shaped flower pots. Fun and easy craft ideas. Number 1. Boost creativity. Making face shaped flower pots allows you to express your creativity in a fun and tangible way. Designing unique focal expressions and features on the pots can be a delightful artistic endeavor that brings your imagination to life. Personalized decor. DIY face-shaped flower pots offer a unique and personalized touch to your home decor. Each pot can customize to match your style and personality, adding a charming and distinctive elements to any space. Affordable crafting. Creating face-shaped flower pots is an expensive way to beautify your home. With basic materials and a little creativity, you can craft stunning decor pieces without breaking the bank, making it accessible for everyone. Great for gifting. Handmade face-shaped flower pots make thoughtful and personalized gifts for friends and family. These unique creations show your put time and effort into making something special, perfect for birthdays, homewarmings, or any occasions. Stress relief. Engaging in DIY crafts like making face-shaped flower pots can be a therapeutic and relaxing activity. It allows you to focus on a creative task, helping to reduce stress and promote mental well-being through the joy of making. Eco-friendly. DIY face-shaped flower pots often involve upcycling old pots or materials, making it an eco-friendly craft. This is not only reduce waste but also encourages sustainable living practices benefiting the environment. Educational fun. Creating face-shaped flower pots can be an educational activity for kids and adults alike. It teaches various skills such as painting, sculpting, and design, all while having fun and learning through hands-on experiences. Enhanced home aesthetics. These unique flower pots can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Placing them in your garden, balcony, or living room adds a quickly and artistic touch that can brighten up any area. Family bonding. Crafting face-shaped flower pots is a great activity for family bonding. Working together on a creating project fosters collaboration, communication, and quickly time with loved ones, creating lasting memories. Improve fine motor skills. The detailed work involved in painting and shaping the face features on pots help improve fine motor skills. This can be particularly beneficial for children and seniors, enhance hand-eye coordination and dexterity. Increases plant care engagement. Having attractive and fun flower pots can increase your interest in plant care. The charming face shapes might encourage you to take better care to the plants, ensuring they thrive in their cute new homes. Unique conversation starter. Face-shaped flower pots are sure to catch the attention of guests, sparking conversations. Their unique and artistic appearance make them great icebreakers, showcasing your creative skills and personal styles. Seasonal adaptability. You can adapt the design to your face-shaped flower pots to fit different seasons or holidays. The versatility allows you to refresh your home decor regularly, keeping it lively and festive throughout the year. Enhance mode. Adding whimsical and cheerful face-shaped flower pots to your living space can enhance your mood. The playful design and vibrant colors can uplift your spirits, creating a positive and joyful atmosphere in your home. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.